Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can easily draw circle, line and custom drawing in your Windows Microsoft Word. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you very easy and simple steps how you can draw in Microsoft Word. So keep watching, you will learn something new. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Word document. Okay, simply click on this Word and now click on this blank document. So friend, now my Word document is open and right now we are going to drawing over here. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on this insert tab which is available on the top, and now we are going to simply click on this shapes option. You simply click on it, and friend, here you will see many options are available. You can draw text box, line, arrow, rectangle, circle, and everything you can draw over here. Okay, but we want to draw line. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on this here, and now for example I want to draw like this. Okay, this is the first thing, and here you can customize color like that. Okay, you can change the color, also you can change the outline. For example, if you want to add outline and you want to increase the size of that outline, you can simply increase it and you can see the preview in back. Okay, so by this way you can easily increase the size and color. Also you can simply click on it and you will get lots of different options are available. Okay, you can simply change it like this. Okay, now we are going to insert another shapes like rectangle, and here simply draw the rectangle and this will drawing over here. Okay, if you want to remove the color, okay, so what you will do, simply click on it and here you will see the border color only, and in center white color is showing. Okay, by this way you can change back color and also you can change the border color. Okay, here the option, and this is the transparent boxes are available, so you can simply change all the things as per your requirement. Okay, now we are going to select over here and we want to change the outline. Like here you can see that when I click over here, then you will see the black border line. If you want light color of that border, you can simply hover on that and you will see the preview. Okay, so we are going to change this one. This is done. So friend, this way you can easily draw line, circle, shape in your Word document. And friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below. And friend, I personally request you, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.